Hi there, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty, LLC in Portland, Oregon. Have you thought about a career in real estate, or do you have one and you're considering moving brokerages? I understand, because the market is difficult and time is not on your side right now. So what do we have to offer you? We have an entire marketing department to help you get a well-designed postcard for your client to get you that competitive edge to win the listing. We have transaction coordinators who are licensed and can help you actually draft that addendum at the last second that you need. And all of this saves you time so you can spend your precious time with your clients to help them figure out what they're supposed to do and get it done. So anything we can do to free up your valuable time and help you become more effective to get that competitive edge in this market, it's yours. So give me a call. I'd be happy to help.